Welcome to our channel Circuits Analytica. In this video, we will discuss a tutorial on mesh analysis. For the following network, find the non-zero values for the three voltage sources so that no current flows through any resistor in the network. First of all, mark the loops as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Mark the mesh currents as I1, I2, I3 and I4. Mark the voltage sources as VA, VB and VC. According to Ohm's law, voltage drop across 2 ohms resistance V2 is equal to 2 into I1 minus I3. Voltage drop across 5 ohms resistance is 5 into I3 minus I4. Voltage drop across 3 ohms resistance is 3 into I2 minus I4. And voltage drop across 7 ohms resistance is 7 into I1 minus I2. We are asked to find values of VA, VB and VC under the condition current flow through all resistors is 0. That means voltage drop across all resistors is also equal to 0. So according to Ohm's law, V2 is equal to 0, V5 is equal to 0, V3 is equal to 0 and V7 is equal to 0 as current which flows through these resistors is equal to 0. Applying KVL for loop 1. In loop 1 there are 3 voltage terms. Considering the direction of current flow in the clockwise direction, we will get VA minus V2 minus V7 is equal to 0. But V2 is equal to V7 is equal to 0 as current flow through these two resistors is given as 0. That means VA is equal to 0, equation number 1. Applying KVL for loop 2. In loop 2 also there are 3 voltage terms. So applying KVL, considering the direction of current flow in the clockwise direction, we will get minus VB plus V7 minus V3 is equal to 0. As current flow through 7 ohms resistance and 3 ohms resistance is equal to 0, V7 is equal to V3 is equal to 0. That means we will get VB is equal to 0. Applying KVL for loop 4, we will get minus VC plus V3 plus V5 is equal to 0. As current flow through 3 ohms resistance and 5 ohms resistance is equal to 0, V3 is equal to V5 is equal to 0. That means we will get VC is equal to 0. Under the given condition, current flow through all resistors is equal to 0 if and only if value of voltages VA is equal to VB is equal to VC is equal to 0. Thanks for watching Circuits Analytica. Enjoy learning. Please comment, like, share and subscribe our channel.